everybody, it's good to be with you again. I really wish that we could be together in the library at Kelly Edwards, but since that can't happen, I'm glad at least we can be together virtually. Today I want to talk about libraries, but not our library. Today I want to check out our public library. We have another library in town, and it's a real asset to us. It is called the Public Library. It is located on Springfield Road. It's a brick building, kind of a reddish brick building. It's on Springfield Road next to the playing fields where y'all play football and soccer. And it is free to everybody in Barnwell County. That means you. All of you and me, all of us are allowed to use the public library for free, and it is wonderful. Miss Jo is our librarian, and let me pull this up. Miss Jo is our librarian, and she is such a nice lady. She is really one of the sweetest ladies in Williston. You need a library card to use the library. If you don't have one, Miss Jo will help you get one. All you have to do is go to the library on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday between the hours of 10 and 1, and Miss Jo will, if you say to her, Miss Jo, I go to Kelly Edwards and I would like a library card. I don't have one. Can you help me get one? She'll help you get one right away. It's very easy. Now, once you have a library card, you can check out any book in the library, and she has a really good selection. But if you can't get to the library for some reason or another, and you have a library card, you are in good shape because the library can be accessed from home. The library has all kinds of awesome electronic resources that are available to you, and you will love them. Let me show you a few. We're going to switch here. Nope, we're not going to go there. We're going to go to, well, I'm going to show you how to get there. You go to abbe.lib.org. Let me pull up that site. And I'm going to move my screen so you can see where I typed in. All right. If you have your library card, you can access all kinds of cool resources on the library's webpage. You type in ABBE, the A stands for Aiken, the B for Bamberg, the next B for Barnwell, and the E for Edgefield, -lib.org, and you come to the home page. If you click on locations, we can just take a peek at ours. Here we are, Williston Branch Library. Does that building look familiar to y'all? I hope so. If you continue across the top and go to digital resources, you see it says ebooks, audiobooks, and more. I love audiobooks, and databases. So let's click on it. Here are digital resources. You've got the Cloud Library. You've got Hoopla, which is an app you can put on your phone. I use it all the time to read books and to listen to books, and Tumble Books for kids. And let's click on that. Look at all these tabs. You can read a storybook on the computer, do a read along. There are ebooks, there are graphic novels, which I know are very popular, nonfiction, videos, language learning. You can learn to speak French or Spanish. How cool is that? Playlists, there are puzzles and games. Let's just take a quick look at storybooks. So you're at home, it's a rainy day, you've got some extra time, you go to the abbe-lib.org website and pull up storybooks. And you can read Bailey, which is a really good book. You can read Bink and Golly. These are books we do not have in our library, so you can be the first people in town to read them. You can read The Librarian of Basra, or Lola at the Library, which is adorable, or Bebe Goes Shopping, which is a book that is written in Spanish and English. And so is this one, Beautiful Moon, Bella Luna. If you want to explore some more, what you can do is go back to digital resources. And let's go to the top here and look at the cloud library and see what's there. Well, none of this is going to be interesting to you because this is all for adults. But you can click on Browse, and here you see fiction, nonfiction, teens nonfiction. But aha, kids fiction and kids nonfiction. Let's just take a peek. Kids fiction, what do they have? It takes a minute. It's thinking. Come on. Here we go. A few have come up. We've got the Sisters Grimm. Ooh, Zack and Zoe Mysteries. Oh, how interesting. And let's take a look at kids nonfiction. Here it's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. Come on. It's coming. Ooh, look at all of this. Oh, now, here are two books I know you're going to like. Horse Escape Artist, a National Geographic for Kids chapter book. This looks so interesting to anybody who loves horses. If you love birds, and you know that I love birds, you can read all about parrots and how smart they are. I had a parrot once, and it was a very smart animal. Bobby the Wonder Dog, great story. Dog sledding. Whoosh, about the man who invented the Super Soaker. Sewing stories, by the way, I think you can, their books are about crafts and hobbies, so you'll be able to learn how to sew. So many cool things at the library. Y'all, there is something for everybody at the library. This is the website, abbe-lib.org. I so wish we could be together and you could tell me in person that you got a library card, or that you already have a library card, or that you went to the library, or that you went to the library website. But since we can't do it in person, would you please do it virtually and send me a little message and tell me what you did at the library or what you learned at the library? I would really appreciate it. So until next time, I'll say bye. Bye, everybody.